COVID-19 is the biggest humanitarian challenge which the world is facing. It is ultimate uncertainty. We are going through unprecedented times where every day is a new day. All of us are today working from home. There is a minimum social interaction and we are talking of social distancing. All of us are looking for a solution at this time. The solution can be in the form of treatment and or vaccines. India is going to play a central role at this moment. We have got over 60% of world vaccine production in India. Indian companies are playing an important role in the development of vaccines. Zydus and Bharat Biotech have developed vaccine candidates which are undergoing trials, phase 1 and phase 2 trial. Serum Institute has been working in close collaboration with AstraZeneca and also beginning phase 1 and phase 2 trial. Serum Institute and many of the other companies have ramped up production capabilities. Once the vaccine development takes place and vaccine is approved, Indian manufacturers will use their manufacturing capabilities to manufacture the vaccines and supply to the world. I'm sure India will play a vital role at this moment of time in vaccine development, vaccine manufacturing, and vaccine distribution. Packaging is the contact of the person, the patient, with the product, and it represents the company's strength of the product to the patient. In case of chronic illness or even acute illness, when the patient takes the product every day, he needs to be assured that he is getting the medicine which is stable in the packaging which it has been given, and it also needs to be easy to use and also, if possible, keep the patient reminded of the product. There are lots of developments which are taking place in pharmaceutical packaging over the years, and we see that this subject will assume greater and greater importance in years to come. The packaging of a pharmaceutical product should ensure that the stability of the product is maintained in every dose which the patient takes year on year. Secondly, packaging should also help in improving the compliance of the medication which the patient is taking. And thirdly, it is also important that the patient who is taking, sometimes he is very old, his hands are not functioning, he should be able to take the medicine in an easy way and it is easier to use. It should keep on giving confidence to the patient when he is taking the medicine. There have been some disruptions in the packaging industry during the COVID times because there have been, many of them have been small scale manufacturers, ancillary industries which have been supplying to the major industries. Over the years, over the months, this situation has stabilized, and I'm sure packaging industry will continue to be playing a very important role with the pharma industry for the benefit of the patients. Indian Pharmaceutical Alliance, or IPA, as it is normally called, comprises of 25 leading companies which contribute 58% sales in the Indian market and 85% exports from India. IPA is the voice of Indian industry, and the aim of IPA is to create an ecosystem for the growth of Indian industry. IPA thrust is delivering life through offering innovative, affordable healthcare and medicines around the world. The three thrust areas for IPA are: 1, access; 2, quality medicines; and 3rd is innovation. In terms of access, IPA companies have worked relentlessly over the years for the supply of affordable quality medicines for Indian patients and around the world. Our products today are available in more than 200 countries around the world. Indian industry accounts for 20% volumes of the branded generic market around the world. Every third patient in US and every fourth patient in UK and Europe get the medicine from India. This is a matter of great pride that Indian industry has built the scale and reach around the world because of the creation of large manufacturing capacity and large investment in the branded generic market. The second thrust area of IPA is constantly upgrading quality standards. In fact, we have been working with all the regulators in the world, whether it is US regulator, European regulator, Japanese regulator, to upgrade our quality standards. IPA organizes every year Indian Pharmaceutical Forum, which is the signature event of IPA, where we get all the regulators of the world together and we present also the best practices by IPA companies during the last year. The third area of IPA is innovation. Indian industry has played a very important role in affordable quality healthcare around the world. India now wants to get to the next scale with innovation. Many of the Indian companies are investing heavily in the development of the drugs which has been developed, which has been demonstrated during the COVID times. We expect that Indian companies will keep on investing in research, and we are also working with the government to create an ecosystem for research where we are able to play an important role both in incremental drugs as well as discovery drugs. Indian industry at the moment is around $41 billion with equal contribution from exports as well as domestic market. We earn foreign exchange of around $13.5 billion. We aim that the Indian industry will grow from $41 billion to $120 to $130 billion with double-digit growth in next 10 years. India will move up the value chain from mere branded generic market into discovery space. And India will not be only the pharmacy of the world. India will not only manufacture product in the world. India will be known both for discovery as well as manufacturing capability. India will play an important role and will be the custodian of health around the world.